I step into the dusty archives. The smell of old paper wraps around me like a blanket. My fingers brush against the aged leather bindings, thrill coursing through my veins. Suddenly, I uncover a fragile scroll, revealing secrets of the Great Emu War of Australia. Can you believe it? In 1932, soldiers faced off against emus. Picture that. Clumsy birds outsmarting the military. I can almost hear their chaotic flapping as they outmaneuvered every trap. Imagine soldiers, rifles in hand, completely baffled as these feathered foes ran rampant through the crops. In an unexpected twist, it's nature that won the battle.